This froggie just insists on being under the guy's door all the time. What a silly froggie. He'll get squished one of these days. Silly froggie. What a silly froggie. You can take the froggie out from under the guy's door, but he's just gonna come right back. Come on, froggie. Come on. Come on. Come on, little froggie. Come on. Let's find a safe spot to be, froggie. Oh. Yeah, okay. Hop. Hop into the garage, so froggie. Hop. Come on. Come on, froggie. Come on. Hop. And we're just gonna have to hop. You're quite the hopper. You're quite the hopper, froggie. Oh, hop, hop, hop. Come on, froggie. Hop, hop, hop. Let's chase you. Chase you, froggie. Come on, froggie. Let's get going. Hop, hop. Oh, froggie. Yourself a froggie accident. Come on, froggie. I need you to go elsewhere. Just don't get eaten by a turkey. Just don't get eaten by a turkey, froggie. Come on, froggie. Alright, I leave you be, froggie. I leave you be, froggie. Mighty handsome fellow. Mighty handsome froggie. What a fine fellow. Yes, you are. Okay.